already. I've already done my brows and I've already set them, and I already concealed my eyelids for eyeshadow. I used a different concealer today, and I used a shade that was way lighter than my natural skin tone because I want to use a whole lot of colors in this look, and I want a really blank, clean canvas. I used the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 20. I normally use Tarte Shape Tape concealer to carve out my brow, give my eyelids base coat. But I will say that this concealer was a little bit like messy for me. I don't know, it was really hard for me to control. So I'm just now trying their concealer. I have some palettes coming in the mail. They should be here soon. But I mean, it does dry really matte. If that's a look that you're looking for, then I think that is perfect for you. I think first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my tape on. You can always use a makeup wipe when you're done. I just like tape because I just feel like it really gives like the sharpest, cleanest look here. So like, why not use the easier way? This cute little palette from I Heart Revolution. This is so cute. It has all these cute colors in this. The packaging is what sells me. So first thing I'm gonna do is take the color Jelly Bean from this palette, and this palette is called Sprinkles. I'm gonna take this color Jelly Bean and I'm gonna put that in my crease. I'm just gonna pat that in first. This color right here, and I'm gonna go in right here and basically blend the two together. All right, okay, so now I'm gonna go into my BH Cosmetics palette, and it's called Today in Tokyo, and I'm gonna go into the color Emoji, this pink color right here, and I'm gonna put that in the inner part of my eye. I'm gonna take a big fluffy blending brush, and I'm just gonna very lightly blend the edges of these colors together. Just put my finger like this. I think the trick to cutting concealer is making sure that you have it high enough, and then also making sure that your brush is wet enough with product, because if it's not, it's gonna drag and it's gonna make like a creasing, like jagged edge on your crease, and you don't want that. So I'm gonna take my I'm gonna take my small beauty blender and I'm gonna basically pat off some of that excess product that I used to cut my crease with. Really be watching Kiki Adams. Her cut creases are untouched. I might not use the same products, but I do try to use, I am trying to use the same concept. Up the shade Funfetti in this Sprinkles palette. This is Funfetti right here. And I'm gonna put that on the outer part of my cut crease. I'm gonna take my lash glue because that's the only glue I have. I don't have glitter glue. And I'm gonna put that all on this part of my eye because I'm gonna go over that with glitter. Anime, this color right here, and I'm gonna put that on top of that purple and blue, and I'm gonna blend that in. Passion players. I'm gonna do my other eye off camera and then I'll be back and we'll put on our eyeliner, put on our lashes, and do our face. Both eyes are just about done. I'm just gonna do some last blending. And then we're gonna peel off the tape because that's the best part. I already did my eyeliner too because I think that that was better for the both of us, that I did that without you watching me. Okay, so next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to put my primer on from e.l.f. I use their illuminating face primer, and it's in Radiant Glow. It feels like butter. I tell y'all this all the time. This product, seriously, it makes your whole face shimmer. It's so smooth and it's really velvety. .332 Golden Caramel. This is the Maybelline foundation. I'm using the Juvia's Place concealer in the bright color because I want a really bright under eye.
Passion players.
In the Makeup Revolution palette, which I broke, but this shade right here, and I'm going to go over where I did my stick contour. Okay, so now I'm just adding the eyeshadow, the same one, and I'm just dabbing a little bit on my lips, and then I'm gonna go over with gloss. Listen, don't be scared to use eyeshadow on your lips. Like, it really doesn't matter. Of course, I'm using Glazed by Whitney. Okay, so now I'm gonna spray my face, and then we're gonna be basically the final look. So I'm using, I can finally tell y'all, NYX Matte Finish Spray. NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. It's a little bold color glitter cut crease. I had fun recording this. It was something different for me because I really don't wear stuff like this. So if you like this look, if you want to see more bold colors like this, then let me know. Leave a comment. If you like this video, you like this look, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. And I hope to see you in my next video.